Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are fine. Welcome you all to our today's mathematics class. Hope you all are ready. Dear children, today let us start our first chapter, knowing our numbers. Dear children, now let us revise how to compare numbers. Since we are from smallest classes, we have been learning how to compare the given numbers. Now let us revise how to compare large numbers. Look at the first example. Compare 97523614 and 78562238. If we observe, the first number, that is 97523614, is a 8-digit number, whereas the second number, that is 78562238, is a 7-digit number. And we all know that always the 8-digit number will be greater than the 7-digit number. Now let us see the second example. Compare 856324148 and 857365889. Now if we observe here, both the numbers are 8-digit numbers. Now how to compare two numbers if the number of digits are same? So to compare the two numbers who's having the same number of digits, we can compare the first digit. First we have to compare the first digit. The first digit in both the numbers is 8. Since both the numbers have same first digit, so we will compare the second digit. The second digit in the first number is 5 and the second digit in the second number is also 5. Since the numbers have same second digit, so we will compare the third digit. The third digit in the first number is 6 and the third digit in the second number is 7. Since 7 is greater than 6, we can say that 857365889 is greater than 856324148. Hope it's all clear to you all. Dear children, as we know how to compare numbers, we can arrange them in ascending and descending order. Ascending means arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest, and descending order means arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest. Now let us see the first example. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. The numbers given here are 8562140, 7523142, 7586145 and 9854163. If we observe these four numbers, the smallest among them is 7523142. A little bigger than this is 7586145. A little bigger after this is 8562140 and the biggest among them is 9854163. So these are the numbers which are arranged in ascending order. Let us see the second example. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending means from biggest to smallest. The numbers given here are 1215138, 8514628, 5621369 and 9561846. So we have to first write the biggest number. If you observe all the numbers, the biggest among this is 9561846. A little smaller after this is 8514628. A little smaller after this number is 5621369 and the smallest of all is 1215138. So these are the numbers which are arranged in descending order. Hope you all remembered how to arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending order. Dear children, we all know how to form the greatest and smallest number using the given digits. Now let us see the following examples to revise what we have studied. To find the greatest number, we know that we have to arrange the given numbers in descending order. So look at the first example. Write the greatest number using the digits 2615940. So to form the greatest number, we have to arrange the given digits in descending order. that is from biggest to smallest. So the biggest one is 9, then comes 6, then 5, 4, 2, 1 and 0. So the greatest number which can be formed using the digits 2615940 is 96,54,210. To form the smallest number, we have to arrange the digits in ascending order, that is from smallest to the biggest. Since we have 0 in these digits, 0 is written as a second digit. We cannot write 0 as a first digit, because if you write 0 as the first digit, it does not have any value. Therefore, if there is 0 in the given digits, we will write 0 in the second digit. So, the smallest number which can be formed using the digits 2615940 is 1024569. That is 10,24,569. Hope you all understood. Dear children, we have studied about Indian and international system of numeration in class 5. So let us quickly revise it. Let us first revise Indian place value chart. In Indian place value chart, we have ones period, thousands period, lakhs periods and crore periods. In ones period, we have ones, tens and hundred places. In thousands period, we have thousands and 10,000 places. In lakhs, we have lakhs and 10 lakhs place. And in crores period, we have crores and 10 crore places. Now coming to international place value chart, international place value chart have one period in which 0, tens and 100 places, and thousands period. In thousands period, there are 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 places, whereas in Indian system we have only 1,000 and 10,000 places. After 1,000 periods comes millions period. In millions period, we have millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. I hope you all recall Indian and international system of numeration. Dear children, we all know how to write number name in Indian system as well as international system. Let us revise it. Look at the first example. Consider the following number 4235231. In order to write the number name, first we need to separate the periods using commas. In Indian system, we can put the commas after 3 digits from the right, then after 2 digits, then again after 2 digits. So we can write the number name as 4 crores 23 lakhs 52,361. And in international system, we have to put a comma after 3 digits from the right, again after 3 digits. So we can write the number name as 42,352,361. Hope you all remembered how to write the given number name in Indian system as well as in international. Dear children, here are some important points for you to remember. These points you have to study carefully and you have to remember it. 1 lakh equals to 10 10,000s. 1 million equals to 10 100,000. 1 crore equals to 10 lakh. 1 crore equals to 10 million and 1 million equals to 10 lakhs. So these points you have to remember. That's all for today, children. Hope all the things which we have studied today is clear to you all. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.